So this here is our 300 watt Pyle stereo amp receiver. You can see here, this is the front face of it. It's got the power button here, turn it on. You can see here there's all sorts of audio controls for balance, treble, bass, reverb, delay. You've got mic volume, and that's because you've got a couple mic inputs there, so you could do some karaoke on here. You got different ways to provide audio input to this thing. You've got a jack here. You can do auxiliary, DVD, CD player. Otherwise, you can use the mode over here for Bluetooth, also FM. You've got mode button here. We're on Bluetooth now. Now we're on FM. So all sorts of good controls. So connecting Bluetooth on this was very simple. I literally just had to turn on the Bluetooth mode, and I was able to find this on my phone within 10 seconds and was able to have it paired, playing sound straight from my phone. So really convenient. Got the volume dial here. So yeah, pretty much everything you need. 300 watt output. We've got a couple of 120 watt speakers connected to this. So here's the back side of the unit. You got the Bluetooth antenna. I found that I do get actually really good range when I'm connected through my phone to the amp here. I can get pretty far away and still carry signal. You got the FM antenna that it came with. You've got, again, different inputs here as far as CD, DVD. You've got your speaker connectors here. You can use either the banana plug, or what we're doing is just using our stripped copper wire. So it's just thread in and out. Obviously got the power cord. And that's pretty much it. So I've got, 14 gauge speaker wires, 120 amp speakers. The unit also comes with remote control, allowing you remote audio function. You can do different preset sound modes between rock, jazz, all those sorts of things. So yeah, really handy. Size of the unit is actually pretty impressive, very small. Here's my hand for comparison. As far as function, so if we just turn on FM here, so you can get a glimpse of the sound. Our speakers are outside our pavilion here, and that's what is being powered by our receiver. So it's given us really good output. Again, these are 120 watt speakers. So we found this little receiver, works great in our backyard, our pool area. It goes out about 50 feet to the rail back there. So that receiver, coupled with 220 watt speakers, fills sound throughout the air here. And that's even without having to totally crank up the receiver volume. So right now I've got the master volume on our amp turned up to about 10%, and even all the way across the pool area here, I'm getting crystal clear sound. And so even at 10%, this is plenty of sound to fill our pool area. And if we cranked it up, pretty much the whole neighborhood would probably be enjoying it.